Let's show you the production process of the stainless steel handle. Automatic feeding and cutting, high precision, high efficiency. Minimize material waste to the greatest extent possible. The matching of molds is very important during the molding process. The higher the precision of the mold, the better the quality of the product. Laser welding and argon arc welding each have their own advantages. Hole punching. Finally, through polishing, we will obtain a high-quality handle. MOSTRO can provide you with a complete handling production line. Please feel free to inquire.